Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can display the battery percentage or the remaining charge of your battery on the battery icon itself on your iPhone. So in order to turn that on, what you have to do is go into your settings. Once you're in the settings, what you can do is scroll down and find the option battery. For me it's right here, so I'll click on it, and once you're in here you can see the first option, which is battery percentage. So if you turn it off, you can see the battery percentage is not shown right here. So if you want to have this option disabled and still want to see the battery charge, you can scroll up, and yeah, you can see in the notification center it says 25% charge. So that's how you can easily find your charge when you have this option turned off. So in order to make it more convenient, you can just turn it on, so that displays the remaining battery charge on your iPhone right here. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.